how to pin and unpin messages on Messenger. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can pin and unpin messages on Messenger. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Messenger application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Now after logging into your account, you will need to go to the chat where you would like to pin a message. You can scroll to locate the specific message you wish to pin and then tap on it to open the chat page. Inside it, here find the message that you'd like to pin. Once you find the message you'd like to pin, you will need to press and hold the message, and after that at the bottom you will be able to see several options. Tap on this pin icon next to reply icon, and once you tap on it, the message will be pinned now. You will see the pin at the top right of the message. Now to unpin the message, you simply need to find the message that is currently pinned, and once you find the message, here again you will need to press and hold the pinned message, and then at the bottom choose unpin option. Once you tap on it, it will get removed. So by following these steps, you should be able to pin and unpin messages on Messenger. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.